नहीं बोलोगे?
यहाँ कोई नहीं बताएगा।
जय श्री राम बोल। जय श्री राम।
New Delhi shocking visuals have emerged from Uttarakhand's Pauri Garhwal district, where an elderly Muslim man, Rijwan Ahmed, was brutally assaulted by three men on Independence Day, 15th August. Videos on social media show the attackers pulling his beard, trying to cut it off, and even attempting to behead him with an axe, while forcing him to chant Jai Shri Ram and Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Rijwan Ahmed, a native of Saharanpur in Uttar Pradesh, said the men, his co-workers at a railway track construction site, targeted him because of his beard. He alleged they intended to kill him and dispose of his body in a nearby river. Police acted swiftly after the video went viral and arrested the accused, Mukesh Bhatt, Manish Bisht, and Naveen Bhandari. An FIR has been registered under multiple sections of the BNSS, and the trio has been presented before court. Rizwan Ahmed is now demanding strict action to ensure justice and safety for minorities in the state.